Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So there isn't really much to update since the last video, so we keep it short. I wanted to keep the last one short as well. It ended up being 8 minutes or longer, so really only short term here. The idea is that we can still get this fifth wave to the upside as long as the, let me just double check that, which level needs to hold. I think that changed. It didn't change from the last video though. What needs to hold is the 1742 level. As long as 1742 is not broken and price doesn't sustain below that level, we can get that fifth wave to the upside. On the other hand, as long as we stay below basically 1850, we have a risk that we are coming down in a C wave. So we're a bit in no man's land. We're above support for a fourth wave, and we are below resistance or in resistance for a B wave. But the advantage here is that if we break one of these levels, we should get some clarity. I mean, I'm even observing the idea, is this fourth wave maybe unfolding as a triangle? That could happen, that eventually the wave 4, there are different possibilities. You can even count it as a triangle complete now, and we could then rally to the upside. That might even be a better way of doing it than counting it as complete down here on Saturday. But yeah, in the end, it depends on the key threshold levels. Okay, so getting that fifth wave to the upside, what would be the target for that? For that, we can take the length of waves 1 to 3 or through 3, and we go to the low of the fourth. Again, it depends on if I count it as a triangle, but I'd rather give you lower targets than the higher ones. So let's assume wave 4 bottomed here around 1750. So target-wise, for the fifth wave, we look for 1894 and 1982. I mean, if it completely escalates, we talk here about 2126, but don't think we get there in the first go. But yeah, that's certainly possible between 1894 and 1982. Yeah, especially at one of these levels, that would be likely to get a reaction there. And then if we get that fifth wave, then we have a 5-wave move complete. And if we get this fifth wave, I will then formulate another pullback support area. If we come down directly from here without making a new high, I think we're going to recycle the yellow support area we already have on the chart, where the price already turned around on the 15th of March. Because this was a trade setup, worked out so far. We're now in resistance. I tend to take partial profits in resistance, which I did for Ethereum. I think that was already here. But I only sold the floating positions, not even all of them. So just keeping a core. Just always want to mention my strategy as well. And keeping that larger core position is essential because the price could just escalate higher as well. Yeah, I mean, it can, of course, be that it completely escalates and rally and does this third wave in one go. We always have to assume that with crypto. So from that point of view, we look here at the ideal target for that third wave of 2266. But we also all know that crypto can extend higher than just the 1.618 extension if this is really a third wave. But yeah, I mean, to keep it simple again, it's all about this key level down here, 1459. As long as we're holding that, that's short-term support, we can focus on higher. But even if we break below that, we've got a lot of support here along the way. And all of these support levels prevent us from making a new bear market low, which doesn't mean we couldn't make it. Yeah. But at the moment, as long as we are above these support levels and we have bullish counts, they are what is just directly in front of us. So that's why I'm focusing on that at the moment, especially as long as the larger support area is holding as well. So yeah, so these are really in the short term the key levels that are relevant. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.